Hi friends, today I will be sharing some ideas how you can engage your children during this lockdown period so that they don't get engaged in more TV and phones, because nowadays children are watching too much of TV and playing on phones. So you can give them some simple puzzles like this. Let us take the first puzzle. Put some rows and some columns like this and write some numbers from 0 to 9. Then ask your child to add up any three numbers so that they get a sum of, say for example, 5. Now your child will start searching this puzzle where they can find three numbers which will result in the sum 5. See, for example, 4 plus 0 plus 1 will give me 5. So your child will draw a line 4, 0 and 1 on 4, 0 and 1. So this will give me 5. Then you start, when your child is searching like this across, then your child will definitely develop the thinking skills. So here also you can find 0, 1, 4 which will result in 5. So like this your child will start developing the thinking ability. So see, 3, 0 and 2. Like this your child will definitely develop his or her thinking skills. If your child is in between 6 to 8 years, you can give them simple puzzles like this, and you can also add some multiplication and division if your child is big. Now you can also tell your child to draw lines on two numbers if the difference between the two number is, say, 4. So now your child will be searching in this puzzle. See, for example, 9 minus 5 is 4. So like this your child will start searching. 4 minus 0 is 4. 8 minus 4 is 4. 6 minus 2 is 4. Such small puzzles can be given to your children to increase the thinking power of your child, and so that they will not be over engaged with television and phones. Let us see the second puzzle. You can give them more numbers and you can also increase the size of the puzzle. See the second puzzle. Draw 3 rows and 3 columns like this and write some numbers, and your child has to find the number over here. So what you can do is, you have to write the number in such a way that it is having some relation. For example, look here, 6 minus 2 will give me 4. So if I put minus here, I will get here 4. Now look here, 17 minus 10 will give me 7. 11 minus 3 will give me 8. Like this your child will find out the answer. Let us look at the second question now. 5 minus 3 is 2. 2 minus 0 will not give me 3. So there is no relation like this. Now look, let us see vertically. 5 minus 2 will not give me 10. 5 plus 2 will not give me 10. 5 into 2 will give me 10. So I can put here into. So 5 into 2 will give me 10. Here 3 into 0 will give me 0. So this is a multiplication relation. So 2 into 3 will give me 6. Like this you can give your child simple puzzles so that your child's thinking capability will increase. Let us see the third puzzle. In the first line I have drawn 3 trees and I have written is equal to 60. Second line, 1 tree, 2 kites equal to 24. Third line, 2 kites, 1 juice equal to 8. Now you have to find what is the value for kite and juice. So for that, first what your child will do, your child will see the first line. 3 trees is equal to 60. So your child will do 60 divided by 3, that is equal to 20. So each tree has a value 20. Now in the second line we have come to know the tree value is 20 and we have 2 kites. So a tree plus 2 kites is equal to 24. So how will we find the two values of the kites? 24 minus 20 will give me 4. So 2 kites is equal to 4. So 1 kite will be equal to 4 into 4 divided by 2, that is equal to 2. So the kite value is 2 now. So each kite is 2. So now here we can see that 2 kites plus 1 juice is equal to 8. So what is the value of juice? So 2 plus 2 is 4. So here you have to write 8 minus 4 will give me 4. So the juice value is also 4. So now you are going to find what is kite plus juice. So my kite value is 2. My juice value is 4. So 2 plus 4 is 6. So the puzzle is solved. So it's very easy to keep your children engaged with such simple puzzles. Hope you like my video. Subscribe to my channel for further updates. Thank you for watching.